Hi guys, we are going to go over lesson 2-3 today. Use arrays to find totals. So first we need to go over what an array is. So arrays, if you want to say arrays, I know it's kind of tricky. Arrays have equal rows. So if you think about a row, I don't know if you guys have ever been to the movie theaters or say your church or a baseball game. There are rows in the stadium, in the movie theaters, in church. There are rows. So these are rows. This is one row right here. Goes left to right. And this is another row right here. It goes left to right or right to left. So these are considered rows, left to right. Let's go over another thing. It's called columns. Arrays have equal columns. So these are columns. They go horizontal. They go right here, right here, right here. They go vertical, and right here. So there are 4 columns. They go vertical. Rows go horizontal, columns go vertical. So there are rows and columns that make up arrays. So I made this handy dandy little cheat sheet right here. So rows go left to right or horizontal, and columns go up to down or top to bottom, vertical. So rows left to right, columns top bottom, right? So those are what make up arrays. So let's go ahead and move on. You can model repeated addition with an array. So repeated addition means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 5 plus 5 plus 5. Repeated addition means the same number again and again and again, and you add them together. So you can model repeated addition with an array. So let's go ahead and look at our first one. This is our model right here. So let's go look at the rows. Remember, rows go left to right. So we have one row right here, one row right here, one row right here, and one row right here. And we need to count how many little boxes are in our rows. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. And remember, this is repeated addition. So all of these numbers are going to be the same. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we got to think of 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Oh my goodness, I don't know what that is. Well, if you know what 3 plus 3 is, equals 6. That's horrible, 6. Equals 6. And our other 3 plus 3 equals 6. And if you know what 6 plus 6 is, it equals 12. So that was using rows to figure out our array. Now let's go ahead and use our columns. So remember, columns go up and down. Oh, it erases everything. Hold up. All right, let's go over our columns now. So our columns go up and down. So we have one column right here, one column right here, and one column right here. So we have to add 3 numbers together by columns. So in each column, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, this is repeated addition, so that means it's going to be the same number added multiple times. 4 plus 4 plus 4. And if you know what 4 plus 4 is, it equals 8. So if you need that, if that's easier to help you figure out the equation, you absolutely can do that. So 8 plus 4 equals 12. So we just counted our array by columns, or you can count our boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we had 3, I'm going to write this back in there, 3, 3, and 3. Our repeated addition equals 12. And then 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. So that is our first array. Let's go ahead and do another one. So this is our second array that I'm going to show you. Erase this up here so it gets out of the way. All right. So we are going to do it by rows first. So remember, rows go left to right, horizontal. So here is our first row. This top one. And then here's our second row, this bottom one. So let's count how many boxes are in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 boxes in this row. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes in this row. So we know that 8 plus 8 is a doubles fact, and that equals 16. So we just went over our rows. Now we're going to go over the columns. So I'm going to put this back in there. Our columns go up and down, or top to bottom. So we have one column right here, one 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 right here, and last but not least, right here. So we have 2 boxes in each column. So we have 2 plus 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 2, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 columns. So let's count them up now. And you can do your skip counting that we learned in our previous video. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So we just figured out our rows and our columns. So remember, rows go left to right or horizontal, and columns go up to down or top to bottom vertically. So that is how we can figure out an array. You could also just count up all of these boxes to give you your answer, but you won't be able to figure out the rows and the columns. So if you want to pause your video and write down this rows, so you know rows go left to right and columns go up and down to help you out, go ahead. If not, I will see you guys later. Bye.